Hi there, welcome to my another tutorial. Today we're going to make this black-white poster. The reason why this poster is not colorful because I am trying to give a look of this poster according our main subject. So let's get started. Take a size of 1080 by 1350. First I take an image that I already download and drag them into our Photoshop. Then I put our main image and place into our main file. After placing into our comp I cut out some portion our image. And invert the selection I place another image into our main project. And invert the selection I place another image into our main project. After placing of all images it's to adjust our images one by one because it is important to set our images according composition. After all setting select layer 2 and I mask that part that I don't like. After masking I go to brightness and contrast and put some adjustment according to our images. And then I go to our watch layer, I take a new layer and clipping mask them and I take a soft brush and apply into it for some reflection. I change their modes into overlay again. I take a new layer and put more lighting into watch for some light. And I put some lights on rocks. That's okay. I take one more layer to give a mist effect. I take one more layer to give a mist effect. I apply brush on our images for better result. after all these I put some fog brush effect into our layer. I already cut our image and I turn this into black. Now it's time to take this image into our main image and put some adjustment into it. Then I go to Blur Gallery to put some depth in our image. I choose Tilt Blur. After all adjustment, now put some text. I put random text for our poster. I also put some tagline for our brand. After all setting, I go to filter. I choose noise to give our image some softness. At last again I change some brightness in our image. Now this is the final result. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Also it give motivation to make more videos like this.